Welcome to ForAllPrep. So in this session, session number 6, we are going to discuss some advanced problems in logarithms. We have already covered up till now the basic concepts in logarithm, all the PYQs up till 2017, 2024. Now, to advance our thinking and problem solving abilities, we are going to discuss around 7 to 8 problems which have appeared in some other examinations, not CAT, but are very helpful in increasing our thinking ability and problem solving ability. So let's deep dive into the questions. Question number one is, we have to find the value of log base. This is the base, and value of this. So we have to find the value of this. So what you can say is, like, you have to simplify this, then you have to simplify this, then only we can find the value of this, and the value is an integer. Value is a integer number. So what you can do is, you can write log 2 root 2 as 8 to the power half, because 8 to the power is 2 is to 3, 8 is equals to 2 is to the power 3, and 8 to the power half is 2 to the power 3 root 2, 3 by 2, and this can be written as 2 into half, and this is 2 into root 2. Okay, and also similarly we can write 32 as 2 to the power 5 and 4 as 2 to the power 2, and this fifth root can be written as 1 by 5. Okay, so what we can do is, we can write this as 8 half, 8 to the power half, 2 to the power 5, 5, and we can combine this. Okay, when the bases are same, powers can be added. So this will be, we can write 8 as 2 to the power 3 and multiply by half. Okay, and this as 2 to the power 5 plus 2 by 5. We can take the base common as 5, and 5 times 5 is 25, plus 2 is 27. So what our answer would be is 27 by 5, and this number will go into divide 3 by 2, which is equals to 27 by 5 into 3 into 2. Okay, so this is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 by 5 is 3.6. So our answer is 3.6. So it's not basically integer, but you can find this option now. This in option. Second question that we are going to look at is, second question would be, we have to find the value. We have to find the value of, if it is given that log of 10 to log of 2 at the base of 10 is a, and log of 3 at the base of 10 is b, then find log of 60. When base is not given, we assume that the base is 10 in terms of a and b. So our options are a plus b plus 1, a minus b plus 1, a minus b minus 1, and a plus b minus 1. So the idea is to express 60 in some combination of 2 and 3, so that we can find the value of this in terms of a and b. So what we can do is, we can write 60 as 6 into 10. Okay, we can write 6 as 2 into 3 into 10. Okay, then what we can do is, we can express this as log 2, log 3, and log 10. So we basically have used a formula that log a plus log b is log a into b. So this will be 1, Okay, log 10 at the base of 10 is 1, and this we have the value already given as a, and this is b. So our answer would be a plus b plus 1, which is option number a, first option. Third question that we are going to discuss is, if you have to find the value of, and this question appeared in JEE Advanced, log of 2 log base 2 9 whole squared, and in the power we have 1 upon, in the power we have 1 upon log 2 log base 2 9, and this is multiplied with the number root 7 to the power of 1 upon log base 4 7. Okay, so here what we are going to do is, if you remember a single property, that a to the power log a base a to the b is value b only. Okay, so this property we are going to use. So if you see that here we can create the same scenario as log base 2 raised to power 9, and this using the this property, that log of ab is ba property, we are using these two property. So we can write this as log of log base 2 9. Whatever here is written will go into the base, and whatever here is written, base will change to number and number will change to base. This will be same as this. And now what we can do is, since 2 is in multiplication with this, we can erase 2 from here and make this as power in 2. Now you can see that this and this and this is same. So whatever we have here will be our simplification for this. For the second one, we can write 7 root is half, value of the root is half, into, similarly using the this property, we can write this as 7 4, and this we can make to the power, and since 7 and 7 is here, it will basically translate to 4 to the power half, and our answer would be 8, because 4 to the power half is 2 and 4 times 2 is 8. So in next question, question number 4, we have been given that if log base 7 2 is k, then we have to find the value of log 49 base 49 28, and this is the question. And basically we have to express this in terms of k, in terms of k. So if we want to express this in terms of k, so you will get the idea that we have to simplify basically this and somehow express this in terms of this, express this in terms of this, in terms of, and to express this in terms of this, what we can do is, we can write 49 as 7 squared and 28. Okay, then we can transfer this 2 as half, and in bracket we can write 728 base 7 28. Then what we can do is, we can write 28 as 7 times 4. Okay, 7 times 4. Then we can write this as log base 7 7 plus log base 7 4. Okay, this is 1, and this we can write as log base 7 2 squared. Then we can write this as half 1 plus 2 times log base 7 2, and this has the value of k only. So our answer would be half 1 plus 2k. So we have expressed log 28 base 49 in terms of k, which is log 2 base 7. So the next question in this would be question number 5, and which is question number 5 is you have to find the, it is given that if the number of positive inte- integers satisfying the equation x plus log base 10 2 to the power x plus 1 is equals to x times log base 10 5 log base 10 6. So you have to find out the number of the integers, positive integers, that satisfies this equation. Okay. Satisfying this equation simply means that when you put that number here on the left hand side and when you put that number here on the right hand side and these two sides become equal to each other, LHS equals to RHS, then that is our solution. So we have to find the number of integers. So what we can do is you can try to look at these, all the numbers have the base of 10, these numbers log 10 log 10 log 10. We can try and combine these. First. So upon combining these, what we can do is also, so एक तरीका तो वो है कि we can send this to other side, or one more method would be like if we can take x common, make this to this side, and we have 1 minus log base 10 5 and log base 10 6 minus log base 10 2x plus 1. Okay, transfer this to this side. Then we can write 1 as log base 10 10 minus log base 10 5, and this will be equals to log base 10 6 minus log base 10 2x plus 1. Then what we can do is we can use the property that log a minus log b is log a by b. So 10 by 5 would be 2, and similarly here we have log base 10 6 minus log base 10 2x plus 1. What we can do is divide this whole by log base 10 2, मल्टीप्लिकेशन तो था, इधर डिवाइड में आ जाएगा, ठीक है. Then what we can do is use this property that log AB can be written as log B log A, and whatever common base we have will disappear and this number will come into the base. Okay, this is the property we are using. So this would be equals to 2 base 2 6 minus 2 base 2x plus 1, and this would be equals to x. Then we can use the property that log a minus log b would be 6 over 2x plus 1. Then what we can do is we can try to create 2 to the power x on this side also. Transfer this to, it would become 2 to the power x, and this would be equals to 6 upon 2 to the power x plus 1. We can take 2 to the power x whole square, write this as, and this basically means that we can try to take 2 to the power x as t. So t square plus t is 6. So there will be two solutions of this, and that will be t is equals to 2, t is equals to minus 3. Okay. So since 2x is equals to 2 or minus 3, so since 2x cannot be equals to minus 3, so this will become invalid, and 2x is equals to 1, 2 would translate to x being 1. So since we have to find the value of number of positive integers satisfying this equation, the answer would be 1. So we will look at the next question. Next question, that is question number 6, is So the next question is, let x0 y0 be the solution of following equations. So दो इक्वेशन दे रखे हैं हमने, उसके सॉल्यूशन बोल रखे हैं x0 y0, and we have to find the value of x0. The equations are 2x to the power I into is equals to 3y I in 3 comma first equation here. Second equation is 3 to the power I in x is equals to 2 to the power I in y. So I and y, oh, I in means basically means log base c. Okay, short form of writing this as I in. So you need not to worry about the base. Then value of x0 will be. So basically what we can do is we can basically solve this equation, first one, and solve this second one, and try to eliminate y as a variable. Then we can get the value of x. Since x0 is the solution of this, so we can replace x by x0. So this will be our framework. So take the log on both side. Okay, take the log on the both side at the base of e only. On the first equation we have take log log base e on both sides. We will be having this is equals to I in 3 times I in 3y. Okay. Similarly, we have take log on both sides base e. We will be getting I in x, I in 3 multiplied by I into y in y. So here, if we want to eliminate x or y, we will eliminate x because we have to find the value of x. So I in y can be written from here as I in x times I in 3 divided by I in 2. Okay, I in 2. So what we can do is I in 2. So here we have I in 2x is equals to I in 3, and this we can write as I in 3 plus I in y, because of the property that log AB is equals to log A plus log B. Then what we can do is we can try to put the value of I and y from equation 2 in equation 1. Then we will be getting I in x, I in 3, I in 2. Okay. Then what we can do is we can take the I in 3 as common. So we will be getting square and 1 plus log I in x and I in 2. Then what we can do is we can write this as I in 2, and basically we are combining these two, and we have I in 2 plus I in x, which will be equal to I in 2x. Okay, so this left hand side and right hand side, both side has I in 2x, so we will basically transfer this all to the left hand side, and here we have I in 2 minus I in 3 whole squared divided by I in 2 is equals to 0. So since this number can't be 0 because this is not equals to 0, this is a different number and this is a different number, so the subtraction of this will not be equal to 0, so this must be equal to 0. So I in 2x must be 0. For it to be 0, 2x must be equals to 1 because any number 1 on any base has a value of 0. So x basically would be half. Okay, so this is our answer. X is half. This is our answer. The value of the x0 is half. So the next question And the last question for the day is question number 7, and the question is, if आपको दे रखा है x is equals to log base 2 a b c d by 2, y is equals to दे रखा है log base 3b a b d a c d सॉरी a c d by 3, और z आपको दे रखा है कि है log base 4c ब्रैकेट में दे रखा है ए बी डी बाई 4, एंड आपको w दे रखा है log base 5d ए बी सी और 5, एंड आपको बोल रखा है कि 1 अपॉन x प्लस 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन y प्लस 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन z प्लस 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन w प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू है log ऑफ ए बी सी डी log ऑफ n एट द रेट ऑफ ए बी सी डी प्लस 1। तो आपको n की वैल्यू बतानी है, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ n। ये क्वेश्चन काफी अच्छा है, पर मे भी है काफी टफ भी लग रहा है देखने में, पर इसका सॉल्यूशन बहुत ही सिंपल सॉल्यूशन है। और ये आपको ऐसे समझना है कि देखो हम हमेशा ही देख रहे हैं ऑप्शन में, मतलब कैसे क्वेश्चन में फ्रेमिंग हो रही, वैसे हम फ्रेम करेंगे अपने सॉल्यूशन को, ताकि जो सिंप्लीफिकेशन हो काफी आसान हो जाए। आप देखो कि हर जगह पे x प्लस 1 वाई प्लस 1 जेड प्लस 1 डब्ल्यू प्लस 1 ये बोल रखा है, तो हम हर जगह ट्राई करेंगे क्रिएट करने को x प्लस 1 की वैल्यू होगी क्या, पहले सोचेंगे x प्लस 1 वुड बी 1 अपॉन लॉग बेस 2a बी सी डी ओवर 2, इसमें 1 ऐड करना है तो 1 ऐड कर दिया। अब देखा कि इसको कंबाइन मान लो करना है तो कैसे कर सकते हैं, मैंने सोचा कि भाई log बेस 2a एट द बेस ऑफ 2a 1 हो जाएगा, तो 1 की जगह हमने ये लिख दिया, 1 को ऐसे लिखा इस प्रकार से, तो ये है। आप देखो कि अगर log, अब ये log a प्लस log b है तो ये आ जाएगा log बेस 2a, बेस सेम है, और ये आ जाएगा 2a टाइम्स दिस, तो 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये आ जाएगा ब्रैकेट में a b c d। सिमिलरली आप देख सकते हो y प्लस 1 की वैल्यू सिमिलरली आ जाएगी log बेस 3b ए बी सी डी। z प्लस 1 की वैल्यू सिमिलरली आ जाएगी log बेस 4c ए बी सी डी, 4c ए बी सी डी। सिमिलरली w प्लस 1 की वैल्यू आ जाएगी अपने पास log बेस 5d ए बी सी डी, क्योंकि जब हम 1 ऐड कर रहे हैं और log इसे w में लिखना है 1 प्लस w, तो log बेस 5d एट द बेस log बेस 5d प्लस ये जो लिखा है इसको हम ऐड करेंगे तो 5d इसमें मल्टीप्लाई होके आ जाएगा, 5 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, d यहाँ बच जाएगा। चलिए 3b यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई होकर जाएगा, 3b 3 कट जाएगा, b आ जाएगा, तो जो भी वेरिएबल बचा हुआ है वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आ जाएगा। यहाँ a बचा है abcd आ जाएगा, b बचा है abcd आ जाएगा, d बचा है abcd आ जाएगा, और c बचा है abcd आ जाएगा, तो इसीलिए सारे ये अंदर abcd आ जाएंगे। देन आप लोगों को रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिखना है, तो अब रिवर्स ऑर्डर में आपको पता है प्रॉपर्टी लग जाएगी वही वाली, कि रिवर्स ऑर्डर में जब लिखेंगे इन सबका सम निकालेंगे तो सम आ जाएगा कुछ ऐसा कि log बेस ए बी सी डी, उल्टा हो जाएगा बेस, और ये आ जाएगा 3b। सिमिलरली आ जाएगा log बेस ए बी सी डी, और ये आ जाएगा 2a, और ये आ जाएगा log बेस ए बी सी डी, वैल्यू ऑफ z प्लस कितनी आ जाएगी अंदर में 4c आ जाएगा। सिमिलरली log ए बेस ए बी सी डी अंदर आ जाएगा 5d। आप देखो हर जगह अपना बेस सेम है ए बी सी डी, तो हम कंबाइन कर सकते हैं सारी चीजें, क्योंकि मतलब एडिशन में ए बी सी डी आ जाएगा, अंदर आ जाएगा 3b टाइम्स 2a टाइम्स 4c इंटू 5d, जो कि बराबर इक्वल टू हो जाएगा ए बी सी डी इंटू, देखो 3 इंटू 2 6, 6 इंटू 4 24, 24 टाइम्स 5 निकालना है, तो 24 टाइम्स अगर 10 होता 240 होता, पर 5 उसका आधा है तो 120 हो जाएगा। ठीक, अब इसको थोड़ा और सिंप्लीफाई करना है, तो ये आ जाएगा log बेस ए बी सी डी के बेस पे ए बी सी डी ही, ये आ जाएगा log बेस ए बी सी डी पे 120, ये वाली तो 1 हो जाएगी जो बोल रखा है, प्लस में जो ये नंबर बोल रखा था वो अपना n ही है। आप क्वेश्चन देखो पर n ही पूछ रखा है, n की वैल्यू हो जाएगी 120, ये अपना आंसर। सो बेसिकली जो हमने यहाँ 7 क्वेश्चन कवर किए वो कहीं ना कहीं जेई मेंस और जेई एडवांस में प्रीवियस ईयर्स में आए हुए हैं, वो आइडिया ये था बताने का कि थ्रू these questions you can upskill your thinking ability and problem solving skill. आप देखो सॉल्यूशन, आप मे बी कोई बेटर सॉल्यूशन इससे अच्छा जो मैंने बताया उससे अच्छा फाइंड कर पाओ, तो आप ट्राई करो एक दो मेथड और लगाने के, एंड स्लोली एंड स्टडीली एज यू प्रोग्रेस यू विल फाइंड more and more innovative solutions that you can create. इस प्रकार का शायद अभी यूट्यूब पे क्वेश्चंस नहीं हैं जो कि एडवांस प्रॉब्लम्स में हैं, तो हम हर जो भी टॉपिक कवर करेंगे एट द एंड ऑफ दैट वी विल ट्राई टू कवर अराउंड 20 30 40 क्वेश्चंस इन एडवांस प्रॉब्लम्स टाइप। ओके, सो जी वीडियो यहीं तक थी। अब नेक्स्ट मे बी वी विल ट्राई टू cover some more advanced problems, or we will start with a new topic altogether in algebra. So here basically we are formally concluding this logarithms in algebra. I have not yet discussed the CAT 2025 questions that appeared in logarithm. I will discuss this as soon as I get the paper, official paper. So this is all for now. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe our channel. Share it with your friends. Goodbye.